Wolf's new 36-inch induction range is one of the best you can buy, but it's not perfect. Let's go over what it does better than anyone else and where it comes up short. This is one of the most powerful induction cooktops out there. You get a 5,500 watt center element versus the average at about 3,700 watts. That's way more powerful than even the hottest pro-style gas burner at 25,000 BTUs. It'll boil water or cook really anything noticeably faster. You'll also get bridged elements on either side, ideal for griddles, fish pans, or long cookware. It's fast, flexible, and second only to SKS in raw power. Wolf keeps a professional feel with real knobs, smooth, responsive, and familiar if you've used their gas ranges before. You'll also get a 7-inch articulating touchscreen to control every mode. It's sharp, easy to use, and gives you the pro look with some tech. The real standout is Wolf Gourmet. It's surprisingly smart. You just enter the food, weight, and doneness, and it handles everything else. Time, temperature, and even the right rack position. No guesswork, no babysitting, just reliable results. This isn't just a twin convection, it's Wolf's Vertiflow system. Twin fans plus 4 independent heating elements. That means more even heat across every rack. So whether you're baking cookies on 3 racks or roasting multiple dishes, everything comes out with the same texture, color, and doneness, top to bottom. Wolf is family owned and built in the US. Their parent company, Sub-Zero, still stocks parts for products made 40 years ago. That kind of long-term support is rare and a big deal if you plan to own this range for 15 years or more. One thing you don't get is steam assist. Miele and SKS do offer it, and steam adds moisture in a dry electric oven and is essential for bread baking if that matters to you. Wolf doesn't have that option. Wolf comes in stainless, black, or white, plus 5 different knob choices, which is more than most brands, but not customizable. If you're after a real statement piece, you'll need to look at La Cornue, or more realistically, Blue Star, which offers 1,000 colors and 6 trim styles. Bottom line, if you care about cooking performance, easy controls, and long-term reliability, the Wolf 36-inch induction range is one of the best choices out there. It doesn't have steam or 997 other colors, but for actual cooking, it's hard to beat. You can try it in person at any of our 6 stores. We can help you compare Wolf to Miele, SKS, Thermador, and we stock most models for delivery in 24 to 48 hours. If you want to see how this range compares to the best 36-inch induction ranges, click this video, and thanks for watching.